Hello everyone and very welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can locally install this fine-tuned version of CogVideoX model, which is called as KoolCogVideoX, on your local system. This model is quite well suited for interior design scenarios. If you don't know what CogVideoX model is, I already have done few detailed videos on its architecture, on its local installation, both in 2 billion variant and 5 billion variant on the channel, so please do check them out. It is an open source version of the video model from King Ying, and it is the 2 billion one is an entry level model, whereas the 5 billion one is for more quality and better visual effects. So what exactly this does is it creates videos from text prompts. Now the GPU requirements, because it's a text to video model, the GPU requirements are quite stringent for it. You can even run it on 8 GB of VRAM or 16 GB of VRAM, and I'm talking about 2 billion model, but it really depends on your system specs too, so it's really hard to say. But for me, I will be using this Ubuntu 22.04 and my GPU card will be NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. Now, if you also want to rent out this GPU, I would drop the link to Mast Compute's website, who are sponsoring the GPU and VM for this video. And if I will also drop the link or maybe a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Now, coming back to this model, as I said, that we are going to install this KoolCogVideoX in 2 billion variant that is well suited for interior design. Let me take you to my local system. Let me clear the screen. First up, let's install a virtual environment with Conda. I'm just calling it Cog. Let's wait for it to get installed and activated. Shouldn't take too long. That is done. Let's also install some of the prerequisites, which include torch, torch vision, torch audio, transformers and diffuser, accelerate from source, and also image.io ffmpeg. So let's wait for all of this to get installed. It is going to take a couple of minutes, so let's wait. All the prerequisites are done. Let me press Ctrl L to clear the screen. Next up, let's install our Jupyter notebook so that we would be able to download and play around with this model in our Jupyter notebook. Now, another thing I wanted to share with you while this gets installed is that if you go to the repo of this guy also has done a 5 billion variant. So instead of 2 billion, because I have such a massive GPU VRAM, I'm going to go with 5 billion. The installation instructions are same for both. All you need to do is to just replace this 5 with 2 and rest should be fine. Okay, let's go here. It is almost there. There you go. So as we were talking, let me open a new notebook here, file, new notebook. Let me make it a bit bigger. And first time just select the kernel here. Also, let's also maybe I'll just go with a dark theme. And then let's make it slightly bigger. Okay, much better. Okay, so first let's import the libraries which we have installed, and also let's download this KoolCogVideoX 5 billion parameter model with the Hugging Face pipe. The model is being downloaded. There are 2 shards of it and the size is just under 10 gig. So I believe you can even run it on 24 gig of VRAM, or I think for a good quality maybe 48 GB of VRAM. Anyway, let's wait for it to get downloaded. And the model has been downloaded, and now let's try to generate a video from text with this model, and this is a code for it. So for that, let me make it fit here. So you see I have just given it an interior design sort of prompt at a modern living room with a minimalist design featuring a white sofa, a marble coffee table, a geometric painting and all that stuff. And then there we are just setting some of the parameters, and also then we are piping it through with our prompt, and then we are telling it how many frames we want in the video and all that stuff. And finally we are specifying our GPU CUDA device, and then we are exporting the video in MP4 format. So let me run it, and you can see that now it is running, going through all the 50 inference steps. So ETA is around uh, just over 4 minutes, and you can see that this is on my H100 card. Let's try to see the GPU consumption at the moment for this 5 billion model. It is not 100% accurate, but might give you an idea. So you see it is occupying just this much GPU VRAM at the moment, just 4K, that's it. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish. It's almost there. So our video has been generated. I'm not sure why this is it is giving this one, because I already have this installed, but anyway our video is there. So let's go to our local folder, and you see this is output.mp4, and remember it's an interior. Let me play it. So it's a new Ubuntu system, so I would just quickly need to install the software. So I'll quickly install it. So if you want to know how to do that, so I'm just going to install the video player. So I'm in the software center. I'm just going to click on software updates. Let's wait for it to launch. And once it is launched, I'm just clicking here on the left hand side, and from there you can just download your choice video player. I'm just going to go with the standard VLC if it is there. Yep, there is. So I'm clicking on it and install, and let me give it my password. It is installing, and that is done. Let me close it, and then let me click on this output.mp4 again. Let's wait for it. First time it takes a bit of a time. There you go. Continue, and this is our video from Just Text. White sofa, interior design. How good is that? How about if I open that uh, notebook, show you the prompt again, and let me bring it more down. I'll put this video here. Now let's compare it with the prompt. So it's a modern living room with minimalistic design, featuring a white sofa, marble coffee table, a geometric painting, and a chandelier hanging from the ceiling. Yes, it's a modern one. The room is well lit with natural light, and the color scheme is neutral with accents of gold and black. The furniture is arranged in a way that creates a comfortable and inviting space. And look at the quality of the video. How good is that? Okay, so it is taking a bit of a time to create, but anyway, let's try out another prompt. So in the next example, I'm asking it to create a luxurious home office with an industrial chic design featuring a reclaimed wood desk, a sleek black leather executive chair, and floor to ceiling bookshelves made of metal and glass. The room is illuminated by abundant natural light pouring in through a large window, and the color palette combines warm earth tones with pops of rich navy blue and metallic bronze. A stunning cityscape photograph hangs above the desk, and a modern floor lamp adds ambient lighting, creating a sophisticated and productive workspace. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to close this previous one, and maybe I'll just rename this so that it doesn't interfere with the earlier one. So I'm just going to say rename, and I'm just going to save one here and rename. Okay, let's wait for it to this one to get created. You can see that it is the ETA is around 3 to 4 minutes, and the video generation is almost done. And there you go, our video is created, it seems. Let's check it out. So remember the prompt, I'll just put it here, and I will go and then play this output video. There you go. So you see a luxurious home office with an industrial chic design featuring a reclaimed wood desk. How good is that? And then there is also a window, and look at the city landscape um, in the background. Amazing stuff. Really, really good stuff. Even the office chair is there. Very good stuff. Okay, so let's try one last one. And here is the next prompt where I have just put it on a loop. So it says a serene coastal inspired master bedroom with a calming beauty vibe, featuring a plush light gray sectional bed, a driftwood finished dresser, as you can see, and a stunning ocean view photograph above a minimalist fireplace. Soft, airy curtains filter the abundant natural light, and the soothing color scheme blends whites, cream, and pale blues. An elegant chrome and glass chandelier hangs from the ceiling, while a comfortable reading nook is created with a curved armchair and a floor lamp. The room's focal point is stunning floor to ceiling sliding glass door leading out to a tranquil ocean facing balcony. How good is that? Amazing, amazing stuff. Real cool. Okay, so um, let's try one final one, I promise. So for this one, actually, I'm just trying to see if it can even just around the interior design, can I put some sort of living things like if you see here, I'm just asking it that a majestic indoor swimming pool with an underwater LED light installation featuring a shimmering turquoise water effect. And let me play it too. A shimmering water effect. A beautiful mermaid girl with flowing golden locks and a shimmering tail swims alongside a school of colorful fish. The pool's surrounding include sleek glass tiles, a retractable roof, and a lush greenery. A curved staircase leads to a sunbathing area with plush lounge chairs and a poolside bar serving refreshing cocktails. Soft ambient lighting and a misty vapor creates a mystical atmosphere as if swimming in an underwater paradise. So let's see what it generates here. I hope that it's a censored one, and if it is, it won't be, so I won't show it. But let it generate and then we'll see. And there you go, you can see that it has tried to do justice with the interior design. The mermaid is okay, I would say. There are some fish too in the pool, and it looks there are waves too. But if you look at the interior design, it has lived up to its promise. There is a mist just emanating from that far corner. It's a lush green, not as much lush as we would hope, but other than that, it is quite cool. There is also a staircase and all that stuff. Where is the refreshing cocktail? Okay, it is there. Not that visible, but still good enough. So not bad, as you can see. So all in all, I think amazing effort, really good stuff. I will drop the link to the model in video description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.